Welcome everybody. Today we've got starting up another Transformers week. Got Powerglide, vehicle form as A10 Warthog, Thunderbolt, however you want to call it. Actually not a bad looking vehicle form, but pretty simple transformation. And his arms pop out there. His arms are a little bit out of whack with the rest of his body, but he was an Autobot. His little I don't know what you call it, thermal sticker. I can see it barely, but just for a split second. They said, I actually did a little research on this because I couldn't remember his name. They said that he sort of took over, what they call it, I think was he Jetfire in the cartoon or Skyfire in the cartoon? Whichever one they used in the cartoon, they changed, he sort of took over his aerial superiority role for the Autobots because he's one of the few that had, was able to fly. And let's see, I think it's supposed to, probably that way. But, a little simple one. He was one of those on a blister pack on a card. I liked the plain version of him. He had, you could grab by his landing gear to look, I always liked planes that had, places to hold them by to make it look like they fly. Sort of wish they splurged a little bit for some paint or something on his cockpit. But otherwise, I think, I thought that was a pretty cool toy back in the day, and, I still like it, and it's still, functional today, which is, I don't feel, it doesn't have that feel like it's going to fall apart when I try and transform it, like ones that I'm going to have later on this week. But anyway, that's Powerglide. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.